The first vehicle I will show you today is in the abandoned barracks, where the official entrance can be arranged. It is about rescue tank VT-55A. VT-55A special track vehicle built on AT-55A medium tank chassis. The task was to release misfeed technique on an obstacle or damage technique in the fight or even of repairs. Armoring, resistance to WMD, weapons of mass destruction, and complete drive engine gearbox, has been maintained and is the same as the T-55A. 3 members of the driver mechanics, binders and commander. The VT-55A rescue tank is a special armored tracked vehicle built on the chassis of the T-55A tank. It is designed especially for towing crashed or damaged equipment in various terrain conditions, for rescuing equipment with various degrees of entanglement with the required traction force up to 75 megapascals. With a built-in crane it is possible to lift loads up to 1.5 tons. Another use of the VT-55A is in the transport of spare parts weighing up to 3 tons to damaged equipment. The vehicle is divided into drivers, command, winch, engine and transmission space. Not only the range of action, maneuverability in the field and maneuverability of the new Liberation tank were highly appreciated, but also the maximum ascent with the towed tank, high traction at various degrees of entrapment and handling of various loads using a crane with a maximum load capacity of up to 1,500 kilograms. The tanks formed part of the workshop provision of tank battalions and regiments of motorized rifle and tank divisions. They were also in the armament of engineer brigades and units of the Railway Army.